Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to reverse a video in Premiere Pro. First, make sure you've selected the clip you want to reverse. Hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and drag the clip to create a copy of it. Place this copy right next to the original clip. Next, right-click on the copied clip and choose Speed Duration from the menu. In the window that pops up, look for the option that says Reverse Speed and check the box next to it. Click OK, and you'll see that your copied clip now plays in reverse. Sometimes reversing a clip can make playback choppy. To fix this, you can lower the playback quality by right-clicking on it in the preview window and then unchecking high-quality playback. This adjustment won't affect the final quality of your video when you render it, only the preview. And that's it. You just learned how to reverse a video in Premiere Pro. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.